add salt to the chicken bone. Then I mix well so that it can absorb. Then transfer in the dish. Ensure your hands are clean before the whole process. I will transfer it in the microwave and grill for 26 minutes. "26 minutes later, it's so well done, we'll remove it. That is the excess oil we'll pour in another container. And remain with the chicken bone. In my cooking pot, we'll add oil. Then onion. Give it a quick mix. After it has browned, we'll start adding the chicken pieces. I'll shake it a bit so as to turn. After it has cooked nicely, we'll add the grated tomatoes and mix gently. It's good to go. I will transfer it in the dish and grill again for 5 minutes. Five minutes later, it's ready. Doesn't it look amazing? Remember to like, comment, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.